Daniel.
Oh, is it Daniel? Okay. You are?
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name?
It's good.
Oh, is he burp?
Yeah.
Did he burp?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you burp?
I did that.
Okay. What will you say now? Welcome back to. What is it?
We want to hear the Monster Jam
Monster Jam. Okay. Welcome back to. Hi guys. Welcome back to another.
episode of Ticky, Tacky Toys. Another episode of Ticky, Tacky Toys.
Powerful Ticky Tacky toys. Okay. Hi guys. We got two toys here today. One of them is. What is this?
This is the Sonic food and this is the rock climber.
Look at the suspension on this.
Yeah.
Wow, it's nice. I like this. So the real rock climber, it's a 1 to 8.
Yeah.
So it's slightly bigger in version. So these are 1 to 16, I think, or 16 or 24 if I'm not wrong. Okay. And this one got a rechargeable battery, so you can charge it outside. You can't charge it within the car. You gotta take it out, and you got a rechargeable cable. So you charge on that one. That one takes AA batteries.
Yeah.
Remotes, both of them take AA batteries. So what we're going to do is now we like this suspension. Look at this. It's a real proper off-road one, nicely and proper one. 4-wheel drive. So
I bet it can drive in the other backyard.
yeah, it will go in backyard. I think rock sides and
Yeah.
road, off-road, and it was still
Yeah.
on indoors as well.
Yeah.
And this one, if you see the wheels, very polished one. So it's mainly for indoors, no outdoors.
Yeah, no.
And
This is actually my favorite. I didn't play this for like hours. I always wanted to play this one.
did you? Okay, and I'm not a big fan of that one. 3 out of 5 for that one. This one, 5 out of 5 because it's very nice. So let's put the batteries in and
Also 5 out of 5 to me.
is it?
Yep.
Is it 5 out of 5? How many? 5 out of?
Yeah.
How many?
With the shoes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, with the shoes.
Oh, with the shoes.
How much? How
What is
much?
this?
It's the head.
Head. Okay. Who is this? Who is this?
It's just the shoes.
Yeah, shoes. What is this?
It's this remote controller.
Remote controller. Okay. What does it do?
It's the light. And I want to dance with right.
Is it? Good boy. Okay, guys. Let's crack on. We're gonna put the battery in. We're gonna show you here. This is the rechargeable battery which I already charged, and the remote. Yeah, I did put 2 AA batteries as well. I'll show you that one. Now first we put this one. It's an easy one. No screwdriver needed. Open. Flap comes out. Take the battery. Only goes in one direction. So 3-pin one. Put it in nicely, sir. It's on already. I can see. Let me
Where
switch
did
it on.
James go? Where did James go?
James, where are you?
Where are you? I'm here.
Thank you. He got me a screwdriver, but I don't need a screwdriver. Come on, get in, sit in.
He's in these.
We don't need a screwdriver, so that got both good compartments, so we can fit them in nicely here. See, I put the batteries here, says nicely, and put the flap. Push it in and turn. Now, right, that one is ready. Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you need help? Come.
No.
Okay. 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 He's okay now.
It's like bouncing around here.
Now I'm going to put 2 batteries for the remote control. Like that's the flap open as well, slide open. Okay, let's see. Got batteries. Oh yeah, got power. See, it's already got batteries, so I can see the red light comes in. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll switch off that one. So we don't need battery for that, but we do need. I have the batteries. You can see. I get these batteries. Are you okay?
We do have batteries for the Sonic cover.
Okay. Are you okay? Okay. So let's put batteries for this.
This wheel is tired.
Oh, the wheels are tired. Okay, the wheels are tired. So let's put the battery so they will be very.
Let's put the batteries helpful.
Yeah, let's put the battery up back here. Yes,
Push the batteries.
I'm going to put the battery. Okay, let's Daniel put the batteries. Come on.
Okay.
I'll give it.
Help you.
He's going to help us. Okay, give one battery. Let's see if he can put it in the right direction. Let me see. Is he putting in the right direction? Okay, James putting in the right direction. Okay, yeah, well done. Like this. Okay, push it in. Come on. Now come on. Yeah. Finally, he needed some help. Okay, that's fine. That's it. Done. It's ready. Wait. Okay, guys. We just want to do a small test drive here. Then, as usual, we will go
downstairs and test which one is faster or slow.
No, the transfer. Okay. Let's switch it on already. Do you want this or you don't want this?
Yeah.
You want the first button? Shall we give it to Sonic? Or do you want it? Or you give it to you? Okay, that's your remote here.
Yeah.
Okay, he's already started to drive.
Okay. Yeah.
Careful, don't drop it on the floor so we can take it to the downstairs. Because that's just a small ride. I'll switch it on for you. Have you switched on yours?
Yeah.
No, you haven't switched it on.
Oh, it's.
Oh, careful. Come on, backwards. That's good. You guys see, this is quite fast. And what about James? Come on, let's try yours.
It's.
That's about yours. You want to show you here?
This is a beast.
See? Come on. You could see now. Backwards. See, you could see now what it is. This is a very usual indoor version. It's not very fast.
Yeah.
And if it's a shiny surface, it's slightly slippery because of this polish wheel. This one won't train anywhere. So let's go downstairs. Let's see you there. Hi guys, we're downstairs now. Okay, let's see how these guys do on here. Come on. Uh-oh. Look at this, the rock roll. Oh my god, you flipped him back again. Oh my god. Oh. Don't fight with him. You okay? You okay, James? What's wrong?
Okay, we can drive back to the basement.
Okay, you want to go there? Okay, do it.
Oh, it's not working.
It is working. Why don't you press it? See? Go closer. Go close. Hi guys, if you see the... Wait, Daniel, wait. Once James finishes. Daniel, wait. Okay, you go. If you see this Sonic one, the frequency is very low. If the Sonic goes slightly away from you, in a small distance, you can't even what is it? Come on, see? It's not. You've got to be very close to the Sonic. Come on. Yeah, come on. Let's just see. If it goes there, then you can't take it back. Look at this. So I would recommend you guys not to buy this. It's not very good. I don't know whether it's a faulty one or maybe it's like that. Okay, do you want to go and bring the Sonic? Come on. See, so I'm not very big fan of the Sonic. Let's see. Come on. So do you want to come? Let's Daniel try these ones. Do you want to come back? Oh! Stop. Okay, stay it. Okay. You stay beside it. Oh, here's the camera. See, this is a proper rock roll and it's quite fast as well. So okay, Danny, do you want to give a turn to James? Come on. Yeah. Okay, you want to go on 5? Go. Now James goes inside. Go and give the remote. Come on. Go stand there. Daniel, come this side, please. Now it's James' turn. See? He likes it when he drive it. He don't like it when someone else drive it. He gets it. Come on. Backwards. Yes. Come on. Press forward. And backwards. Yay! I like this guy.
This is actually a fast one.
Is it not only fast, it's a fast, good heavy duty one. I look at the suspension goes. It's very good. The suspension goes really well.
Down.
What?
Down.
Oh, you're gonna sit on the stairs? Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, he's going to put it on that one. Yeah, put it on the second one. Okay, careful. Okay, let's see what is it. Forward. Slowly forward. Backward versus flip. No, to go, not to don't go too high. Don't go too high. Come on. No, forward. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Do you want to try that one Sonic one? I'm not sure. I'm not a big fan of the Sonic one. Hi guys. So that's the main one. You can see he's putting it back again and he's going to try again. Oh my god! It flipped and it landed! Oh my god! It flipped and it landed! Let's see. He's trying it again. Oh, he's going backwards. Okay, come on. That's a good one. I like this one. Sonic, you are thumbs down. Rockroller, you always be thumbs up. Come on, well done, Rockroller. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, that is really.
Okay, guys. I think you have seen enough. I think, hopefully, and we just go upstairs and finish off the video. Do you want to do one more time? Okay, he wanted to do one more. Oh. Yeah, I see that. Is it from the? Oh boy. Yay! We just tested out downstairs on the floor. You guys seen it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get the opinion from these two, and we see what happens. Okay, we left this one in because it failed our test. We didn't like it, so it's not value for money. Yeah.
I actually give this rock climber like 5 stars.
5 stars. So I give 5 stars. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. What about it? Is it a good one?
Yeah.
You tell me. Is it a good one or bad one?
A bad.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
Is it not good?
Good.
Is it very good or bad?
Good.
Very good.
Yeah.
How many times is this one got?
It's really much down.
Guys, this one you have seen it. It's kept really well, and he tried it on the stairs as well from the up to down. It fell and nicely came down. Look at the suspension. I'm really impressed with the suspension. So it will do a good job when you go onto the rocks. So hopefully in about 30 days, a month time, we may get a good weather summer and we'll go. Yes.
It's the real socket.
Yeah, suspension is good. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah, James says the suspension is good. So it's thumbs up for the suspension.
Thumbs up. Even
Okay.
this pacifier is under this monster truck.
He got the pacifier. Do you want to use pacifier or not?
Hold on.
Whose is this?
Fire Soupy.
Whose is this?
Whose is this? It's Fire Soupy.
Is it whose? Is it Daniel's or James or Daddy's?
Daniel's or James or Daddy's? James? Yeah.
James. Okay, guys. So we're gonna wind up here now. We're gonna finish off. So hopefully see you in the next episode with another toy. Nothing much to do. It's locked down now. So thank you for watching us. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And
Don't forget
yes,
to
sir.
hit that bell. Ding,
Drop the
ding,
bell
ding.
button. I'll get it for you. There you go. And don't forget to press the bell button. But do you want to say bye bye?
Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching Ticky Tacky Toys.
Ticky Ticky.
Do you want to say subscribe, share, like?
Like.
Subscribe.
Share. Subscribe.
Say so. Please do subscribe if you like our videos and keep following us. We will bring more toys
Yeah.
and
See you
hopefully
in another
your kids will be
episode.
entertained. Thank you. See you
Thank
again.
you.
And if you want to see this in action, good action, always watch us the back. We will have a nice screen at the back, so you will see these on a proper action, outdoors, indoors, everywhere. It's on the back.